Select CVBS and HD camera. Select CVBS, composite video blanking signal. The tester will inform you of the video format followed by the picture. If the camera is a functional PTZ camera, slide your finger on the screen to move the camera. To go to a preset, select PTZ. Select the required PTZ number and select Preset. Select Snapshot to take a photograph. The photo will appear above. The photos are stored on the internal SD card under Photo. Select File Explorer. Select File. Select Internal SD. Select Photo. Select the required photo and the picture will appear.